everyone, greetings from here. Bia Ezikuku, I saw where you made a video and you tagged my picture with that of Ogechi Njaka and many others. Ezikuku, let me warn you for the very first and last time. I am not your level or your grade. Azuna Akibeya. Ezikuku, it is too small and too toy to talk when Governor Ezioku is talking. Because in Wero Amamiha at all. Ezikuku, are you not the same Ezikuku? They criticize Akwa before, they criticize Ezobi, JCN, including Ogajik. But the moment you give bribe, you now remembered your ancestors, that they were all native doctors, that Ezobi from Abia State. Ezikuku. Before I go further, I want to warn JPAC. I always do this. If I want to talk to you, I talk to you straight. What do you hear me? JPAC, abịakwa m ime ihe na Ezikuku onye obodo gị, ọ bụ na ọ bụ nwanne gị, ọ bụ na ọ bụ your relatives. If you don't want that mugu to get out of my way, mme yi ajụ egwu, adịkwa m egwu egwu, abụrụkwa m ụmụ okoko dibịa ndị ọ na-ezuzu arịde states with. The same person, onye na-abịa na inbox ayo people ego. JPAC, when I was managing your account for you, did you remember? I told you one morning, see, Onyebo Ezikuku, you know the reason why I'm the drug that thing. Unamaro na from conversation ebo na yoga ego. Nkona yoga jiko chefuru. The same mugu and Ezikuku ana ka akwa send ego ochoka ntu where evidence. Ezobi ne yezige na in a sing is praises to JCN. You better get out of my way. Obu be name here with Ogechi Njaka, many of which I know you get Njaka ha abagenkete. You can't know Nigeria call Ili for 30 days. Onyaguru nebu Ethiopia, Iri Ji for Nigeria, opposite Ethiopia kiga gabeze. Even at the Ethiopia can na bribe. They can na dibia bribe. I make bold, Governor Ezioku make bold to say that when we dibia, ya biaka no bia no onye them bribe of even 1,000. You remember me? This happens to be your first and last time here about Governor Ezioku. Chineke Yesugoko that day. Na Governor Ezioku Sunande de Mebi Alibo. Nakwadi their bribe 10,000 naira to keep quiet. Sim one accident. Mobure eba he no. Ihe esigidere gike. Aya turu gegi eje anata Nigeria. Go and mark it somewhere. It's na mgbe Ebukobi iko iri na Ebukobi na ọ na-akpọ ike nsi akpọ nka bata Nigeria ịma na ibu dimkpa batagori Nigeria even this December. In fact, Ezikuku m na challenge gị, bring your details, mma agbara gị ticket, mma agbara gị flight ticket, ịma na ibu odogwu, ịma na ibu man enough batakara Nigeria n'ọkpụla 30 days. Ihapi ihe na say ihapi si dia jewe nga, gather all those people m na-ege mind, them Ezobi and others, let them be at the airport and wait for you. You are laid something on Ezobi, I mean Ebukobi. It's and them man over get in a query that place, you know. Onya Yego, a hungry man, Nafu Benion Urie, Utopia. In a query, let it be your first and last time here with a picture of an Ezioku tag here in those your live broadcasts. And I'm equally sending messages to certain bloggers. Use your own concept if you like. I'm not a blogger like you. I have something I do. I didn't make webu. You know, in a query, that place. Tomorrow, I have series of videos I downloaded. Even they criticize Ezobi, where you are talking about JCN and all that. The moment Akwa gave you some money, Akwa. If I want anything from Akwa, even celebrate ordinary birthday and invite Akwa knows, Akwa trusts my tie. Because more I hear me upon them see a chora man no go do am. Even JPAC with your brother knows me. JPAC knows me too well. I don't mess up. It's a video, I'm saying it. I don't mess up. I'm not at your grade. Till Jesus Abia. Ezikuku. And I say Ezikuku and I get out of my way. I don't joke. fuck out of my way. I didn't make good. I know not those your nonsense in it. And Izuzuo, if you don't know social media, I know why I should have used my main page. Governor Zoku. But I know maybe you want followers. Go and drag it him and then I drag here. I'm not at your level. It is first and last warning. I'm ready to spend everything to make sure they deal with you. Mind you, you've never seen me joke or play anywhere on social media. I'm not on my grade or level. I'm not on my grade. You can make it at 500 or 200,000 a year and survive in Ethiopia. If this is how you intend to survive, I go to Yebugi. You got a gota union. Can't be sepotowa. Ezi kukumu na challenge zigi. What your account? What are your account? Account to give Buliela 5 million naira the past 2 weeks. In fact, the last 1 year. Account to give Bulia 5 million naira. Mother said 500,000 naira. Whoever sees this video should tell him. In Wetarola 5 million naira in bulk. As so you know Ethiopia, the past 1 year. Make 500,000 naira immediately. Mmeje Ageje Bank verify ya. Bank 5 million naira of your own. The past 1 year. Mmeje 500,000 naira. J Bank, tell your brother that's what I said. Jesse and tell Ezekiel that's what I said. All good the same Ezekiel na Ghana so spoil the town and names. He said you don't know war and battle. Ono abunde dibia. Should I start saying different things so different people against Ezobi? Man, all got to Ezobi today. It's an even that Ezobi, all my men, all my people who are on social media want integrity. Don't you know? In a query, in a meadows your nonsense, don't ever try it with Governor Zoku because at all costs he got punished by me. It doesn't matter the years it takes. My punish the guy, don't joke. I don't want to I don't come at your own level or grade. I don't want to make nonsense with you. This is simple warning and message to you. And in the DB I will seek for Ezobi's number for the very first time. Go back, carry the kind of human being you are. And if Ezobi continues with Ezobi, you have no problem. Because he gave his senior a deal with Ezobi. He turned on this side. He got a bribe. It's another affuso. It's another affuso. It's another announcing. Do you think people don't tell me things? It is last warning. I won't say this again. I say this from the depth and bottom of my heart. Next time, every other person in the face and face you, and it will not be on social media or something. Ethiopia back here, you only in Ethiopia, you are making noise. You go to ticket 2.5 million and I got abroad in 1 week. You will see. Try it with me and see.